In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change OneNote paper style. If you want your notes to feel more organized and easier to read, adjusting the paper style in OneNote is a simple but very useful change. This can help if you prefer writing on lined pages, using grid lines for diagrams, or just creating a cleaner layout that matches the way you work. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're in sync of the notebook or page where you want to adjust the appearance. This is important because the paper style affects how the page looks while you're working, and it can make a big difference depending on whether you're typing, handwriting, sketching, or planning. Once your notebook is open, go to the top of the OneNote window and click on View. The View tab is where OneNote keeps many of the display and layout options. So if you ever want to change how your workspace looks, this is usually the place to start. After that, look for the Rule Lines option and click it to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you different page style choices that you can apply to the current page. Depending on your version of OneNote, you may see several ruled line styles, grid options, or a choice to remove lines altogether. Now, select the option you want from the drop-down. As soon as you click it, OneNote will update the page so you can immediately see the new paper style. If you want a notebook-like appearance, choose one of the lined options. If you're working with drawings, charts, or handwritten notes, a grid style may be more helpful. And if you want a completely clean page, you can choose the setting with no visible lines. A helpful tip is to try a few styles before settling on one. The best choice depends on how you use the page. Line styles are great for written notes, while grid layouts can make spacing much easier when you're creating structured content. And that's all it takes to change the paper style in OneNote. It's a quick customization, but it can make your notes more comfortable to work with and easier to organize visually. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to adjust the page style anytime you need and create a setup that fits your workflow better.